At GardenWrld, we believe every plant deserves a second chance, and few are more dramatic or more rewarding than the beloved fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata. If your plant is looking limp, spotted, or on the brink of death, don't toss it just yet. With a little knowledge and consistent care, your fiddle leaf can bounce back to life. Here's a detailed, research-backed guide to reviving your struggling fiddle leaf fig. Before taking action, it's important to figure out what's wrong. Fiddle leaf figs are sensitive, and small mistakes in care can lead to big signs of stress. Start by examining soil moisture. Is it bone dry or soggy? Overwatering is a leading cause of root rot, while underwatering leads to dry, curled leaves. Leaves. Yellowing leaves typically point to overwatering. Brown edges? Probably too dry. Black or dark brown spots can indicate fungal issues from soggy soil. Pests. Check under the leaves for webbing, spider mites, or white fuzz, mealybugs. Once you've identified the problem, prune any dead or severely damaged leaves. These won't recover and only drain energy from your plant. Use clean, sharp shears and cut just above a node, the place where new leaves emerge. According to fiddleleafingplant.com, removing unhealthy growth encourages the plant to focus on producing healthy, new foliage. One of the biggest mistakes fiddle leaf owners make is inconsistent or improper watering. Here's the golden rule. Water only when the top 1-2 inches of soil are dry. Make sure the pot has drainage holes to avoid standing water. If you've been overwatering, let the soil dry out and check for root rot. If underwatered, slowly rehydrate the soil. Don't flood it all at once. As Better Homes and Gardens explains, root rot from overwatering is the most common cause of brown, mushy spots and leaf drop. Fiddle leaf figs are native to the tropics of West Africa, where they receive tons of filtered light. Place your plant near a south or east-facing window, avoiding harsh, direct sun that can scorch the leaves. Low light can lead to slow growth, leggy stems, and a plant that just never perks up. Fiddle leaf figs thrive in humidity levels between 30–50% and prefer temperatures between 65–75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18–24 degrees Celsius. If your home is dry, especially in winter, consider using a humidifier, placing a tray of water near the plant, regular misting, though not always effective on its own. Avoid cold drafts or placing the plant near heaters or air conditioners, as sudden temperature changes can shock it. During the growing months, spring and summer, use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4–6 weeks. In fall and winter, hold off. The plant goes into dormancy and won't use the nutrients efficiently. Feeding at the right time supports healthy leaf and root development when the plant is most active. Perhaps the hardest part of reviving a fiddle leaf fig is waiting. New growth takes time. It may be several weeks or even a few months before you see signs of recovery. Don't be discouraged if nothing happens right away. Consistency is the key to bringing your fiddle leaf fig back to life. At GardenWrld, we're all about helping your plants thrive, even the fussy ones. With the right care, lighting, and a bit of patience, your dying fiddle leaf fig can become a lush, vibrant centerpiece once again. Stick with it, and your plant will thank you.